Hi, my name is Shay. I work in Inuitive as a field application engineer in the customer support team. In this demo, I would like to demonstrate the capabilities of our product, the M4.51 device, which have the ability to do both the AI object detection and the depth sensing. So what we have here is a simple Python script that can be developed using our Inuitive's API. And so the data is both from the RGB, it gets what you see, it detects any YOLOv3 model object, and puts the depth data, how long, how far away is it from the sensor, in the middle of the boundary box. So this is just a small example of the capabilities of our chipset and solution to have both simultaneously having the ability to do the AI object detection and the depth sensing. For more information, you can contact us in Inuitive, www.inuitive-technology.com. Thank you.